Today I'm sharing a delicious side inspired by Dominican Power in Bayonne, New Jersey, so check them out if you live near there. Someone asked me once how to choose an avocado, and when it's dark like this and it has a little give, then it should be perfectly ripe for you. I'm just going to cut it down the middle and twist it and slice it. Just going to scoop it out and put it on a plate. Now I'm just going to add a little pepper, a little salt, a squeeze of lemon, and a little bit of olive oil. So delicious, so simple. I paired it with some pre-cooked shrimp, some pineapple, some rice, leftover salmon. Goes great with fish or chicken. I'd love to hear your ideas. Until next time, take care. Happy cooking. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Take care.